We're going to learn how to divide 4/3 divided into groups of 2/3. So let's go ahead and do our tape diagram with our representation. Let's highlight the 4/3. 1, 2, 3, 4/3. Just a little reminder that we need 3 to make a whole. So you want to think that here is where you have the whole. That will help you. We want to make groups of 2/3. So we need here, so 1 is 2/3 right there. Here is another group of 2/3. So how many groups can we make? We can make 2 groups. So the answer is 2. Solving the 4/3 divided by 2/3 using numerical representation, we always leave the first number the same. We rewrite 4/3. The second part is the symbol of division becomes multiplication. And then 2/3, we do the reciprocal, or we flip the numbers to 3 over 2. Then we just multiply 4 times 3. And then we just multiply 3 times 2. And then we simplify the fraction by saying we have 12 pieces. We need 6 to make a whole. So 12 divided by 6, the answer is going to give us 2, which is the same answer we got on the top. We're going to divide 4/3 divided by 2/3 using the number line. If you notice, I made my number line all the way to 2 because we need 3 to make a whole and we have 4. So let's go ahead and divide our number line into thirds. We're going to label it. So this is 1/3, 2/3, 3 over 3, 4/3, 5/3, and 6/3. But we only have 4/3 up to there. And we want to make 2/3. So this will be 1, 2, that will be one group. This one is another 2/3. So we can say that we have 2 groups of 2/3. This is one group, and this is another group. So that makes it 2 groups. So the answer is 2. Mathematically, or using numerical representation, we say 4/3, we keep the same. The division, we make it to multiplication. Then 2/3, we make the reciprocal, or flip the numbers around, 3/2. Then we just multiply 4 times 3. 4 times 3. That would be 12. And then we just do 3 times 2. That would be 6. And then we say we only need 6 to make a whole, and we have 12, or 12 divided by 6. The answer is 2, which is the same answer we got on the top.